crazy, you know the motto. Fuck you, boy, pay me. Ball meaning, belt cost 12.80. Kick a bitch out if she had the bitch went to potty.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balik lagi di channel PURNAMA Warna. Ini kita lanjut proses di brio satya warna silver. Ditekan atau apa? Nah, ini lagi pengerjaan. Ini kita sudah pemasangan cupnya yang baru. Terus tinggal nunggu bumper depan sama kaca belum datang. Ini kita udah dempul-dempulin. Jadi part selanjutnya project brio satya. See you.
On my too busy for you shit, call me later. If I was a bum, I'd give you none like the church lady. It's aggravating, niggas fucking up my aviation. Flyer than most, flying at the boat, but niggas are bacon. And the bras gon' follow. My nigga Wale told me pop my collar. Came so gaudy, they thought we was gaudy brothers. Two twin bitches, my nigga fuck the other. Chillin', tropic, niggas give me pound, I'm a trending topic. Hermes, Fendi, wallet. Get you 40 for some dollars, don't get out of pocket. Bitch, I'm in this thing. So bitch, I'm in this thing. I'm in this thing, but bitches going down. I'm in this thing, but bitches going down.
Watch your Cartier with the gas, that's a thing. Got the new crib for the tax, not the thing. I don't need his money, but I'll take it to him fast. Want a bad bitch, better stay with your cash. Talk to me nicely. I just spent $250,000 on an ice tea. I just turned an 8-figure nigga to a hype piece. That's cap, bitch, I'm wife. Second thought, bitch, I might be. Turn a nigga life to a movie like I'm Spike Lee. I ain't trying to hear none of that. If you tell me no again, I ain't coming back. Bitch, I want Rio on my face, it's like one of that. Whole squad in this bitch, I'm the running back. Hut 1, hut 2, hut 3. I just touched down with 100 on me. Watch me work that. Watch me turn around and twerk that. Hurt bang, he ain't gon' never get this work back. Persian rugs all through the crib like I'm P&D. I don't do the back and forth, I'm on D&D. Hold up, penthouse finna go up. Baby off that 1942 till she throw up. It's so crazy, ay. I could trade that AP for that new Mercedes. I can hit you with that, wait, let me stop. I know how bitches move, yo might call the cops. Two-tone, my Chanel with the matching rock. Rap bitches in the dirt, y'all can match the art.
Chillin', tropic, niggas give me pound, I'm a trending topic. Hermes, Fendi, wallet. Get you 40 for some dollars, don't get out of pocket.
I'm in my prime, optimist. Sagittarius, so you know I'm an optimist. Man, keep it do a real, I'm a prophet. Okay, well, at least you took the L off your bucket list. It's time to make hits and it's time to diss. How you still diss and still can't find some hits? Was it worth it, dummy? I ain't mind a bit. Still on that show, getting no chips, time to dip. Bitches tell they team, make them like Barbie. Have to come off IG so they can't stop me. All they do is copy, look, still music too. Want to see what bitches do when they lose the blueprint. I mean a pink print, oh let it sink in. Spoke to Jay the other day, he's still a kingpin. He's still the only nigga that I would've signed to. If I ain't signed away, perfect, this design cool. Cause we the big dude, don't need a big speech. We make the biggest impact, check the spreadsheet. There's Lil Weezy, the Barbie, and Drizzy Drake. Niggas getting more cheese. Birds is blowing, but they stutter when get asked by the queens and float. When it's clear, they bite me. I'm flattered they like me. I don't wanna check bitches, tell me where they Nike.
Chillin', tropic, niggas give me pound, I'm a trending topic. Hermes, Fendi, wallet. Get you 40 for some dollars, don't get out of pocket. Bitch, I'm in this thing.
Oh ya, sini kita udah mulai penampilan untuk unit brio satya. Tinggal tahap epoksi. Ini full siramnya guys, full repaint dan repair. Masih dilakukan sama Bapak Karya. Oke, saya terus di video PURNAMA Warna. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.